Real close together. I can't, because I can't see Corey.
Watch them all start hurling.
Okay, let's see.
They're all gonna puke.
The loudest burp. Go, guys. Let's do this.
Do it.
The teenagers are the
recording?
judges. Yes.
Come
Chase
on, Isaac.
I can't do it.
Come on. Swallow some air. Swallow some air. Swallow some air.
Is that all you got, Corey?
Oh, you pansies. I know girls that burp louder than that.
Okay, I'll pour this all over your head when I'm done.
I won't put nothing on my head.
Wow, Tommy.
Come on, let me out.
Corey's warming up.
Look, he cannot burp. He's holding it all down.
Watch Chase. Chase is pretty awesome.
That puked in that burp.
Ew.
Dude, I told them they're all gonna start hurling. That's what Matt said.
I don't think I can burp anymore. I don't think I can burp anymore.
Chase won.